With Firebox templates, we can create settings for firewall policies and security services in one place so we can apply them to multiple devices at once. On the main page is a diagram explaining how templates apply to the various accounts and devices. You can see that we have some templates inherited from our service provider as well. Adding configuration to the template is the same user experience as configuring a Firebox. To apply the template to devices, we select a few to subscribe to the template. This can be done in bulk if needed. Also, much like the Firebox configuration, templates have a deployment history. Undeployed changes can also be reverted. If I navigate to a specific Firebox, I can see a list of templates that device is subscribed to. You can see from where it's inherited and even reorder them to mitigate conflicting settings.